while. I need to rest, of course. I have work tomorrow. And see you all tomorrow morning. Evening at 7 p.m. So, hope so. Maki boy, antok na si host. Oo nga eh, very very antok na. So, ito yung aking Disha, thank you so much. Aksha, thank you so much, Aksha. Saan na ba yung aking Saglit lang. Gilamos tayo, guys. So, pantanggal ng powder at saka yung mga cream na nilagay sa mukha. Mas maganda raw gagamitin yung wet wipes compared sa mga toner at saka yung cleanser. So, maliban siguro kung magme-makeup, yun kailangan yung cleanser. Pero yung maghihilamos. Mas sabi nila, mas mainam daw yung wet wipes. Kasi hindi masyadong ma-stress yung mata. Thank you so much, Miss Jamie. Ako kasi maalikabok kanina. Gawa ng nag-motorcycle ride ako towards to and fro the Boreal. So, mahirap. Nasa highway kami doon. Papunta doon sa cemetery. Dito kasi sa amin, maraming cemetery. 1, 2, 3, mga 4 to 5 na cemeteries. Yung kanina pinuntahan namin malayo. So, with the use ng motorcycle, kaya ang alikabok, ang lahat. Yan. So, thank you so much. I think I am already past to not yet. Not yet 3 hours. So, let's wait for the 3 hours instead. Maki Boy, this is 2 of 2. Thank you so much. So, let's wait for the 3 hours then, my friends. Maya 8 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yan, Maki, still in your house. Patapos na pala. Nag-disclaimer na. Harang 2 of 2. Maki, harang 2 of 2. Yan. And of course, Edgar Camo, harang 1 out of 2. Ma'am Lucy, bye-bye. Yan, nagwa-wipes lang ako ngayon. So, Maki Boy, thank you so much. Alan, good night. See you. Yan, patapos na tayo sa 3 hours. Alan, bye-bye. 8 people in the house. Thank you so much.